Did you know that humans were the first living organisms on Earth?
Actually, Shawn, 4.5 billion years ago, the Earth was a hostile place with a great bombardment and no oxygen. 3.8 billion years ago, archaea, the first forms of life, formed, and 3.5 billion years ago, chloroplasts and mitochondria bacteria entered larger prokaryotes, forming the first eukaryotes.
What the heck? How's that possible? Organic organisms appearing from non-living matter?
Two scientists named Miller and Urey created amino acids out of non-living compounds, and they simulated early Earth.
How did these weird bacteria evolve into eukaryotes?
It was a theory called endosymbiosis that states bacteria like chloroplasts and mitochondria entered larger prokaryotes, creating the first eukaryotes.
What's the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes?
Eukaryotes are more advanced protist fungi, animals, and plants. They have a nucleus and organelles, but prokaryotes are simple bacteria and archaea. They have no nucleus.
What are the organelles of eukaryotes?
Mitochondria provide energy. Chloroplasts help with photosynthesis. ER transport young protein to Golgi. Golgi, where protein matures, a nucleus that holds genetic material. Shawn, what are the organic compounds of life?
Firstly, we have carbohydrates. The function is a primary energy source. For the test, for sugars or monomers, it's Benedict's and it turns orange. For starches or polysaccharides, it's iodine and it turns black. This is a monosaccharide, the monomer of carbohydrates. For lipids, the function is it's a long-term storage energy. The test is the paperback test. If it's clear, then it has a lipid. This is a triglyceride. Glycerol are the three fatty acids and the monomers of lipids. For proteins, the function is a major structural component, and hormones are made out of it. And the test is BRE. If it turns purple, then it has proteins. This is an amino acid, the monomer for proteins. R is the rotating group. For nucleic acid, the function is that it makes up DNA, RNA, and it's the coding of your body. This is a nucleotide, or the monomer of nucleic acid. Dehydration synthesis is when organic compounds form a bond while losing a water molecule. Hydrolysis is the opposite. Organic compounds break a bond and it adds a water molecule.